with standby mode. Perhaps it is one of the best feature on iOS 1.10, and I think you should try this out with this amazing app, third-party app that I use with standby mode. You can see we have full info about your iPhone right here. You have calendar, you have a storage, you have a battery, you have your phone processor, and including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, brightness, and so on. I'm gonna show you how to apply this one on standby mode. In order to make this work, you need to be at least on iOS 1.10 on your iPhone. So my iPhone 11 is on iOS 1.10. And then one more thing is you need to make sure that standby mode is turned on. So you need to make sure it is turned on. And after that, you're gonna go into the App Store. You need to download the app called iScreen. So you're gonna search for iScreen here, just like that, and click on the search button. And then you're gonna find this app here. So make sure you open, and make sure you open it. And after you open, you're gonna go into standby. Click on the standby on the top, and then you're gonna select the widget. So there are many different standby mode here. Select the one that you like, but this is the first one that I show you from my beginning of my video. So I'm gonna click this one, click on save to my widget, and now all you have to do, you need to plug your phone into a charger. Now we need to plug in and turn my phone in landscape mode. For the first time, we have a clock, we have a photo slideshow here, but the one that you need to customize is this one after you download iScreen. So you're gonna hold on the app here on the left side. Now you're gonna click on the plus button, and you're gonna find iScreen. Just scroll down a bit. It is right here. Just click on it, and then click on add widget. You're gonna click on it. Click on choose widget because this is the left side, so you need to make sure you select on left, and then you're gonna click on done. And on the right side, just hold on the widgets, the same thing. You're gonna click on the plus button. You're gonna scroll down until you find iScreen, this one. Click on add widget. Click on the widget one more time. Click on choose current widget. Make sure you select on the right one. And that's it. It is very simple. You can see this info about your iPhone. Whenever you put your phone in landscape mode, it looks like a mini display on your phone. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Then I will see you guys in the next one.